Are you designing your dream landscaping? Well, here are the top 10 types of rock you should consider for your project. First up, pea gravel. It's soft on the feet and great for pathways and areas around pools. Comes in loads of colors. This is river rock. It's silky smooth and great for borders, water features, dry riverbeds, and as a decorative ground cover. Lava rock, light and porous, it's great for landscapes needing drainage. Acts as an insulating layer by keeping the soil warm in winter and cool in summer, which is beneficial for plant roots. Flagstone, great for stepping stones and patios. Mexican beach pebbles. If you want the upscale touch, this beautiful stone is for you. Cali gold, shimmers in the sun, a true treasure for your landscape featuring warm golden tones. Sandstone, great for retaining walls and oozes rustic charm. Discomposed granite, great for paths and high traffic areas offering a natural and rustic appearance. Limestone, a classic, adapts to anything. It typically comes in shades of white, cream, gray, and tan. Lastly, marble chips. They have a luxurious and decorative appearance with their natural marble colors. Which is your favorite?